Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can disable the scroll lock on your Microsoft Excel 2019. So in here, I've already opened the Microsoft Excel, and if you see at the bottom, the scroll lock is on, and if you right click, there will be the status, scroll lock, and the status is on. So when you tap on this, the status will not be changed because it's still on. So what you need to do to turn it off or disable it on your laptop is you can just open your on-screen keyboard on your computer, and you can see that the scroll lock is on. So you can just tap on this scroll lock, or you can use your keyboard, and after that here when you right click again and see the status, now the scroll lock is off because this is off on your keyboard. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thing.